Hi, I'm Sabri CM from Apti and today I have 5 skincare products that are worth your money. These are quite good. Frankly, I'm loving this. I don't know the frame is right or not. Hi. So yeah, the frame was like a little bit terra. Let's start with the list. And first I have simple hemp seed oil with niacinamide. I really like this serum. It has this very good moisturizing texture, so milky. And this is so moisturizing, it nourishes my skin like anything. And it has hemp seed oil, so hemp seed oil actually is quite good for people with oily skin too. And it has 1% niacinamide. This serum is actually going to be good for if you're looking for something very moisturizing. If you want to provide the extra support to your skin's barrier, it can be a very good thing for you, especially winter. And for oily skin, then I think in the morning you can skip moisturizer if you're using this serum. You can use this serum, then you can use sunscreen directly, and at night you can follow up with a moisturizer or facial oil, light oil, something like that. And for dry skin, it's gonna give you the extra nourishment, and I really like this one. And I hope it works for you if you try this one. And for winter, it's gonna be, I think, super good. But do a patch test. If you are allergic to hemp seed oil, don't try this one. This is kind of thick, so if you don't like thick serums, then it's not for you. But it doesn't leave any sticky or greasy feeling. It is fragrance free, and overall I do recommend this one. And next I have another thing from Simple. This is their SOS clearing booster. I didn't want to buy this one before because I thought I don't need it. Then I saw this offer that if you buy 2 things you're gonna get like some extra discount, and it was very cheap, so I bought this one without thinking much. And it works. You know how it works? When I had skin irritation, I applied it. It soothes my skin like anything. It truly calms down my skin, and I could see the irritation, the redness was going down, and I really enjoyed it. The texture is also very good. It has this gel-like texture, which is like it absorbs in my skin quite easily, and it doesn't feel heavy. And it gives this hydration as well, which I like. But it has 10%, I think, witch hazel water. So if you don't like witch hazel in your skincare, or your skin reacts to witch hazel, don't try this one. It has this niacinamide as well, thyme, zinc. It was a good surprise, but I don't use it every day. It is not my everyday favorite thing. When I get like bumps and I feel my skin is getting a little bit mad, I apply this one and it works to some extent. So yeah, it's quite good. I apply it, then I follow up with a moisturizer or Cica cream. That way it works the best. So it's quite affordable as well. I have their new niacinamide serum from Simple, but I need more time to give a review on this. But these 2 things, I'm really enjoying it. This can be like everyday product for me, but I don't see myself like using this every day. Whenever I need it, like when I get like extra support for my skin, I need to soothe my skin, I use this with a Cica cream. Okay, now I have this very affordable moisturizer for body. This is Joy Cocoa Rich Intense Nourishing Body Lotion. This is very moisturizing and I really like it. And I think if you're looking for something affordable, like in body lotion category, it can be very good. I don't like the smell that much though. I like the Vaseline Cocoa Lotion one. Like the smell is better. And if you ask me which one moisturizes better, I find these 2 are like same when it comes to moisturizing. But the smell wise, I like the Vaseline Cocoa Butter better. Like cocoa butter body lotion better. Okay, I know I'm applying body lotion because this is the thing. Now my hands are getting so dry, so whenever I can, I apply moisturizer, and this is a good one. It absorbs into my skin like quite fast. I just don't like the smell that much. Otherwise, it's good. So now I have one lotion for you, niacinamide lotion. This is Dr. Sheth's Hibiscus and Niacinamide lotion. It has 5% niacinamide, hibiscus extract. It has allantoin. If you're looking for niacinamide in a lotion, you can find this to be helpful, and it doesn't give me like greasiness. It also gives a little glow to my skin, and for winter alone it won't be enough. So what I do, I use this as emulsion, then I follow up with a moisturizer. But in the morning, before sunscreen, I can wear this alone. And I think lotions, emulsions, they work better with sunscreen for my case. And if you have oily skin, you might like it a lot. Overall, it is a good one. It has minimal ingredients. If you're looking for a simple niacinamide based lotion, it can be a good option for you. It has this citrus peel extract if you're not allergic to citrus in your skincare. I mean, I don't like too much of citrus in my skincare, but this one didn't give me any skin irritation and I really like it. This is fragrance free. Next, I have this 3% Tranexamic acid from Minimalist. It really works. I had this dark spot. I made a video. You can see I have described my journey. So I use this Chemist at Play and this Minimalist both together, but I feel like it works better for me. But if you want Tranexamic acid with niacinamide, go for this one, this Chemist at Play one. And if you want mandelic acid and Tranexamic acid blend, then it can be a good thing for you. And I think it's more effective when it comes to like targeting dark spots. This is my number 1, this is my number 2. Both of these are quite good. So last thing, I have one retinol serum for beginner. This is Deconstruct retinol serum. It has 0.2% retinol and 1% peptide. It is very hydrating, number 1. Number 2, it gives this glow to my skin, which I really love. Number 3, it didn't give me any breakouts. So with retinols, I'm like kinda scared if it's gonna give me like breakouts or purging. But this one didn't cause me any breakouts. And it has very low amount of retinol, so I think it can be good for the beginners. And it has this support of peptides, which can be hydrating, also can boost the collagen production. I think it can be a good retinol serum for the beginners. And I also tried this Minimalist retinol with squalene. That is also for beginner. That was also very good. So there is another one from Overdermis. Their retinol serum also very good for the beginners. So these 3 beginner friendly retinol serums I have tried, and 3 of these are quite good. If you ask me to rank, then I will rank this one, Deconstruct, and the Minimalist one at number 1 and Overdermis number 2. Even the Overdermis one is very good. That one has this milky texture and it has beta carotene. This one has peptide, and the Minimalist one, it has squalene. So the 3 serums are quite different. If you want retinol with peptide, you can try this one. If you want retinol in oil, then you can try the Minimalist one. And if you want retinol with niacinamide, beta carotene, then you can try that Overdermis one. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found these recommendations to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon. Bye bye.